What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Rashad with Living by the Code, and in today's video we're going to be talking about why you shouldn't learn Python in 2023/4. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, a lot of individuals, when they are looking to start off in web development, they often wonder, hey, which tech stack should I use? And it often comes down to JavaScript versus Python. But in this video, I'm actually not going to compare the two. I'm actually going to do that in another video. I just want to make this all about Python and kind of my issues with Python. So one of the biggest reasons I tell people that maybe you shouldn't learn Python is, number one, if you are looking to kind of make a transition from a career into software engineering, definitely web development, the reason that you shouldn't learn Python is, number one, Python is really used for a lot of advanced applications. In my opinion, it's used for a lot of like AI, it's used for a lot of machine learning, a lot of data retrieving and things like that. And those jobs typically don't go for entry-level positions. Even if you're looking to freelance with Python, it could be an issue there too, because a lot of those type of freelancing jobs are not really beginner friendly. So you really have to know what you are doing. So, which also brings to me kind of my 1.2/number 2, which is the reason I think you shouldn't learn Python. A lot of jobs that offer Python developers, usually you need some type of degree, because what they're doing is generally not something that entry-level people can do. Nobody is going to hire they will hire I'm pretty sure there are self-taught machine learners. I'm pretty sure there are AI developers who are self-taught, definitely with it being so new and so trendy. The issue is that it's going to take you quite a while to kind of prove your worth that you are a self-taught AI developer without any experience in web development or back-end development or nothing like that. I really do think Python is something that you kind of gradually scale your way into. First, you learn a front end stack, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the other frameworks. Then you may, move to a company to a back-end engineer, and then I think it could make for a smooth transaction to learning Python and a lot of that higher level of software engineering, like machine learning and etc. But who knows? Maybe that change in the near future with AI and machine learning taking off so far. So if you don't believe me too, because I know a lot of people have had pushback on opinions like this before, go to Indeed. And I know job applications usually BS a lot of the times, but really apply to like 100 Python machine learning jobs and really see how many looks you get back once you find out that you don't have any degree whatsoever. Now, if you do have a degree, let's say you have a marketing degree, or you have a MBA, or you have a history degree, and you decide that, hey, I'm looking to get into the software engineering space, should I learn Python? Honestly, in my opinion, I know a lot of people may think I'm wrong about this, but gatekeeping is real still in this field. So just because you have a degree, I think you have a better chance of actually making that transition if you're willing to wait the 6 months to probably about a year and a half, 2 years it'll take you just to get up to speed with that knowledge. So that is the reasons that I think you shouldn't learn Python, mainly for two biggest reasons. Number one, a lot of Python jobs are not beginner friendly. So if you're looking to transition and you're looking to get a job fast, web development is definitely the route that you want to go. So pick a web development stack, way faster. The track is way, smoother. Now, also, if you don't have a degree, Python may not be the language definitely that you want to start in. Why? It's gate kept. Machine learning engineers, you need a degree. AI engineers, you need a degree. Even a lot of data scientists jobs, you need a degree. So those are the biggest reasons that I think you should not learn it. Once again, so if you disagree with me, comment down below. I love to hear anybody else's opinion. If you agree, make sure that you give me, 2 thumbs up. Like I said, I'm very curious to, to get feedback to see what other people who are Python developers, what is your experience? What is your degree experience? How was the path for you? So comment down below, guys. And until next time, happy coding.